You don't need a technical background to get six-figure job in cybersecurity. With over 30 years of experience in tech, I have helped thousands of people to live above poverty level and economics distressed. I have helped construction workers, factory workers, truck drivers, security guards, teachers, nurses, hospital workers, CNA, hotel assistant, admin support, and more that are feeling stuck with no clear path for growth to achieve their career goal. You can make cybersecurity your big next career move and earn a six-figure salary per year without any tech background. Our program is designed to help you switch career in 90 days. In just 90 days, with personalized support and hands-on experience, you gain experience and will help you succeed in your career. Hi, I'm Professor Temi Akinwumi, a cybersecurity expert with 30 years experience in the industry, and I've helped, like I said, 1,000+ people to break into cybersecurity, generating millions, I'm saying millions in salary and revenue to our community every year. Join our live online classroom. This is not those classes that are recorded. This is live, interactive. You can join from all over the world, right? To receive personalized coaching, perfect for beginners. So gain experience working in real life world projects with different stakeholders and expertise so that you can catch your employees and employers' attention when they ask questions during interviews, and enjoy lifetime job placement and career support. So don't let career jobs hold you back. The job that don't pay you nothing right now, don't let that hold you back. So now click right here to schedule a call with me on www.myituniversity.com, and let's make it happen for you. Take the first step towards your real high-paying career job in cybersecurity. You can make cybersecurity your next big move. Click on the link right now and schedule a call with me.